3 best crypto futures trading platforms in the USA. Finding the best crypto futures trading platform in the USA sounds simple until 2 platforms look strong and only one still feels right after your first real week of trading. That is where most people make the wrong choice. Because in the US, this is not just about a flashy leverage or the slightest app. It is about who actually gives American traders regulated futures access, how smooth the platform feels when markets move fast, and whether the setup still makes sense once trading gets more serious.
And the most important detail is the one many people realize too late.
The platform that feels easiest at the start is not always the one that gives the best long-term trading fit once tools, hours, and contract choice really matter. What actually makes a futures platform worth it? For a ranking like this, the real filter is regulated access, usable tools, and platform depth. A strong platform should let you as traders access crypto futures in a compliant structure, without making the experience feel clunky or too limited once you want more than one simple trade. That matters even more because crypto futures are high-risk products. Coinbase says it's US. Perpetual style futures offer leverage, and its own disclosure warns that leverage can magnify losses.
This is general info, not financial or legal advice.
Number 3, Tasty Trade. Tasty Trade takes the 3rd spot because it is one of the clearest choices for traders who want a more classic, futures-first experience. Its platform supports CME crypto futures, including Bitcoin and Ether contracts, and Tasty Trade keeps the pricing structure straightforward with published futures commissions and a no minimum approach for margin accounts. What keeps Tasty Trade in the ranking is how direct it feels. If you want crypto futures through a platform that treats them like a serious trading product, not just an add-on, it makes a lot of sense. It stays at number 3 because the next 2 options usually feel stronger once you care more about either multi-asset depth or a more crypto-native experience. Number 2, Interactive Brokers. Interactive Brokers moves into 2nd because it gives traders a stronger bridge between serious brokerage tools and crypto futures exposure. In February 2026, Interactive Brokers added Coinbase derivatives, Nano Bitcoin and Nano Ether futures, including perpetual style contracts, with trading available around the clock. That matters because IBKR is not just a crypto venue. It is a platform built for traders who may want futures, stocks, options, currencies, and more under one roof. If you want crypto futures inside a broader professional style workflow, this becomes very hard to ignore. It misses first place for one reason. The best overall option here feels more natural for traders who want crypto futures in a platform that already feels crypto native from the first click. Number 1, Coinbase Advanced. Coinbase Advanced takes the top spot because it closes the loop from the start. The best crypto futures platform in the USA is not just the one that gives access, it is the one that makes regulated crypto futures feel the most native, usable, and scalable. Coinbase launched CFTC regulated perpetual style futures for US customers in July 2025, and its platform now shows a growing regulated futures lineup. Coinbase also says US perpetual style futures are available through Coinbase Financial Markets, which gives it a cleaner crypto-first identity than the other platforms in this ranking. That is why it lands first. For a broad US audience, Coinbase Advanced gives the strongest balance between crypto focus, futures access, and a trading experience that does not feel like a workaround. The platform that still makes sense later. So if you want the clearest starting point, Coinbase Advanced is the strongest all-around option. Interactive Brokers is the one to watch for broader trading depth, and Tasty Trade still makes a lot of sense if your priority is a more straightforward futures workflow. The smartest move is not chasing the biggest leverage headline. It is comparing the same contracts, platform tools, trading hours, and risk tolerance side by side. That is usually where the best crypto futures trading platform in the USA finally reveals itself. If you enjoyed the video, hit like and I'll leave a video on screen that may be of interest to you. You can click it to watch. See you next time.